What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on DAZN and I'm gonna be showing you how to change your payment method, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So there is quite a simple way on changing your payment method, so make sure to stay until the end of the video as I'm gonna go through it. So for you that don't know what DAZN is, it's basically a sport event streaming platform in which you can get your package and pay for it and just watch it on up to 5 devices. So on the DAZN page, you need to go to the upper right corner, of course, after you have logged into your account. Click on the menu option and select My Account. Then over there, then you can log in if you didn't do previously. Then just scroll down to the Payment Method section and click on Change Payment Method. Then of course you will need to select the preferred payment method you wish to choose and just enter all of the details which are required from the DAZN web page. So basically guys, quite an easy way. So overall also you can basically log in and click on start watching. Once the DAZN page loads, go to the upper right corner, click on the menu, afterwards go to my account, select change payment method as I told you earlier. So there you just need to select a preferred payment method from the choices you are given from the DAZN and just enter all of the details which are required and just click save, and basically you have successfully changed your payment method for your DAZN subscriptions. So guys, overall that's the entirety of the process, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.